Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Today I'm going to clean a condenser coil of an AC unit. I'm going to show you, if you're a homeowner, what you should do as far as for checking to see if this needs to be done. What this unit does is it pulls air all the way around the outside and blows it out the top. If it's not getting good airflow, one, you're not going to have the efficiency that you need, and two, it's also harder on the unit. It's going to cause problems and it's going to cause it to wear out sooner. So let me show you something that you can check to see if you need to do something about cleaning your AC unit. Come up to this unit, you're pulling air through here, comes out the top. If I can take a piece of paper and put it on the top out here in the middle and it's not blowing at all, and then if I pull it out to the outside, I've got good airflow out here. Well, I don't have enough air in the middle. That means it's not getting enough air in through the coil itself to get the best efficiency out of it. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean this coil. We'll do the build test after and you can see the difference. First thing we'll do is pull out this disconnect, kill the power to the unit. And now I'm gonna take off the fan by taking off these screws. I like to clean my coils from the inside out. Sometimes you have to take off the whole top. It just depends on your unit, but you're not gonna get it near as clean because all this dirt mostly is on the outside. As you clean it from the outside, some of that's gonna go in. You're not gonna get it off. To me, it's just a better way of cleaning things if you can. Clean it from the inside out and then also spray off the outside as well. But we'll start by taking off the grill and the fan, getting that out of our way so we have better access inside. Now you want to watch where your cord's coming in. Make sure that you don't pull on that and cause something to happen with that wiring. Let's clean all this dirt out here. We got so much dirt in here, it's growing grass and everything else. So I'm gonna get all this cleaned out. No sense in making you watch me do it. We'll get all this out of the unit. I'll show you the after. Pulled out almost a 5-gallon bucket worth of dirt. Got the bulk of it out. This is really, it's pretty much mud. It's not dirt, so I can't get that out, but hopefully we can wash that out as we wash the coil. Next thing we'll do is we'll get that water hose hooked up, mix up some cleaner, and start cleaning. So I'm going to be using nu-brite by nu-calgon. Let me know down below if you use something else, what that might be in the description if you're watching this and you already know how to clean coils. But this allows you to pick what kind of soil that you think your unit is. It has light, medium, and heavy soil. How dirty is it? And it gives you the ratios of parts nu-brite per parts water. That's if you're going to mix it up yourself, put it into some kind of a sprayer. You could use a garden sprayer, something like that, but you want to make sure after you're done, you want to rinse it out. Don't leave it in the sprayer. I'll be using this gun by nu-calgon that specifically works with this product. You can use it on others. I think I see other people doing that. It basically mixes it as the water from the water hose is going through it. So basically I'm going to saturate the inside of the coil and then the outside of the coil and then let that sit for 5 to 10 minutes and let it do its work, and then we'll rinse it off. Now we'll clean from the inside out. You can see there's lots of dirt. I don't think this coil's been cleaned for several years. You can see how you got real clean here, and then you got this black. If you keep it up, it won't turn black like this near as often, but there's no way I'm going to get all this black off with this. It's been like this for a long time. You can see the dirt came off of it. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and put the fan back on, flip that over, put it back on. We'll do the dollar bill test, see how much headway we made. Guys, so let's do the check. You can see now out here on the outside, lots of wind blowing over the whole entire thing. So now I'm able to pull more air through the coil out through the top. It's going to help with efficiency. It's going to help you cool off your house better. It's also going to make the equipment run longer. Hope that was useful to you. Make sure you check today, see if your coil needs some cleaning. All you need is a dollar bill. Let me know in the comments below if you do something different or use a different product, whether it's the coil cleaner or something like that you think works better. Share that with everybody in the comments below. But other than that, I hope you stay safe. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you on the next video.